So let me start by saying, just from a casual click on Facebook, my journey started to money making. Okay, I attended the first seminar, 1 day seminar, and after that I decided to take the 3 days class. And all I can say is that it was a fabulous experience. Nilesh sir has really very good knowledge, and he just made us feel so easy with the option trading. I was a total buyer of options, and after making huge losses, I opted to, now I can know that seller is the king in this market. And one good strategy of Nilesh sir that I would like to say is that he told us that it's not about mastering 10,000 different techniques, but to master one technique for 10,000 times. So I would recommend this Money Mint course to all the aspiring traders. Thank you.